Hi, I'm Danny from Paslode. I'm here today to talk to you about our flagship nailer, the 360XI, which offers best-in-class comfort, best-in-class performance, and best-in-class reliability. Being a battery and gas nailer makes it extremely lightweight and extremely well balanced. The tool is very easy to also freestand. And now I will explain how to load up the tool. So included within your nail pack will be the Series I fuel injection fuel cell, which enables the tool to work at all temperatures. Firstly, remove the safety cover and insert the gas into the tool. All of our gases will have their best by date at the bottom of the fuel cell. Once you've loaded your fuel cell, simply take your strip of IM360 round drive nails, inserting them into the magazine, pull the follow up and gently release it back onto the end of the nails. Once you have your fuel and your nails loaded, you can then take your battery. For safety reasons, we always say battery is the last thing in and the first thing out. Put the battery into the tool as a standby position. The tool's not live. Second, on position, the tool becomes live and the tool is ready to fire. So the 360XI nailer fires full round drive nails from 51mm up to 90mm in 4 different finishes, from bright up to stainless steel. It also fires nail screws from 50mm up to 75mm in 2 finishes. This is a fantastic first fix framing nailer and can be used for applications such as stud work, partitioning, hoarding, fencing, decking, garden cabins, garden sheds, flooring and much more. So now I'm going to quickly discuss with you some key features and benefits for the 360XI nailer. Starting off with our 7.2 volt small lithium battery, offering 200 shots on a 2-minute charge or 13,000 shots on a 90-minute full charge. With the gas and the battery engaged, we have this LED display down here that tells the user how much life they have in both the gas and the battery. The tool also features a very easy to use depth adjuster. Simply wind and unwind to get your perfect finish. These probes are also very easy and quick to remove in case you need to use a no mark cladding tip if required. This tool also features a fantastic quick release magazine for any nail jams or any cleaning or servicing that may be required on the tool. Simply pull the catch, magazine can come out. Putting it back together, very simple. Another great feature of this tool is our extra large belt and rafter hook. Simple, but really beneficial. Now I'm going to do some shots with this tool, firing it just under a piece of timber. The tool itself has a very aggressive nose and probe, so you can fire the tool at different angles, which makes it great, especially for framework and partitions. Not only does the 360XI tool fire nails, but also fires our Paslode nail screws with a T15 Torx head. Again, simply load the nail screws into the tool. And the great thing about these nail screws, which can be used for permanent and temporary fixings, the screws can be removed. Okay, so finally, to remove the battery or the fuel cell, the battery, simply press and remove. And the fuel cell, press the eject button and remove your fuel once it's empty and needs replacing. I've been Danny from Paslode, and this is our latest flagship nailer, the 360XI.